Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you change your age on TikTok. So let's just continue to TikTok app. Now in TikTok app, here you can see in the bottom right your profile option. Click on it. You can see in the top right the three dash icon. Click on it. Now just click on the third option, settings and privacy. Scroll down and here you can see report a problem in support and about. The first one, click on it. Now here in topics you can see direct message, the middle one, click on it. You can see the first one, direct messaging is no longer available, click on it. You can see is your problem resolved, click on no. Now just click on need more help. Now you can just tell your feedback or you can just copy my feedback. Now submit it. Click on the red button. After submitting your feedback, TikTok team will help you within a day. So guys, this is how can you change your age on TikTok. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.